What is going on, guys? Brent here. It is time for another race here at 81 Speedway. We got quite a few new mini stocks here tonight. So quite a bit of front wheel drives. I've only seen maybe one or two new rear wheel drives. So I'm not entirely sure why we have so many new guys here tonight. It's just kind of a regular weekly race, but hey, got some new faces. We'll see how it goes. Currently I believe we're sitting 8th in points right now after last weekend. We got a new tire on with a good wheel, so we should be good to go there. It's actually the same tire that was on the wheel that broke off at the beginning of the season. That tire had plenty of life. It was a brand new tire, so we took that one off of that bad wheel, put it on the wheel that was on there last week with had the tire that had the flat. We're gonna put that on there, and that should be the combination we're running on the right front tonight. But it should be a good evening. Tyler's not going to be here tonight. He had some last-second engine issues, so he is playing it safe. I'm going to try to get it diagnosed and repaired instead of just risking blowing the motor tonight. So Cameron is here. Him and the Jaegers are off that way a little bit. So we're going to give them a visit here in a second as well. But yeah, should be a good night. Currently, it is about 5 o'clock right now. Drivers' meeting's at 5:45, so a little bit of time here before the drivers' meeting, but should be another good night. These guys are out of Enid, Oklahoma. They're going to be racing for the first time with us tonight. They got 3 of them, so we'll see how they run with us. I'm pretty sure I've raced against them before, back in Enid, back in 2024, but I don't know if it's the same cars or what it is. But got a couple other new faces over there. I know we saw another rear wheel drive over there, so a couple new guys, nothing too crazy. As you can probably tell already, it looks like it's going to be a windy one tonight. So we're going to have to keep that in mind. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me. Stock cars are getting ready to start their hot laps on track. Stock cars are rolling by. It's windy as hell today, so I don't know if y'all can even hear me, but we opted not to do the hot laps again tonight. It just looks a little too slick for my liking. Don't feel like we're gonna get anything from it, so we're gonna skip hot laps tonight. I'm gonna go for go straight into our heat race. And that's why I'm not doing hot laps. It's way too wet. We already got cars spinning out, sliding around. Okay, so. Taking a quick look at the heat race lineups for our races tonight. We are in a stacked heat, so that's not looking good for us because I was hoping to avoid going to a B tonight. So maybe something will happen, but that's not looking good. We start 7th in that too, so we're going to be starting deep and we're going to be looking out. We're going to be out looking in. So it's what it is. It's just luck of the draw, but man, it's unfortunate. We've been getting nothing but bad luck when it comes to draws so far this year. So I guess that just continues. right, time to start getting ready to go. The first heat race for stock cars have already just came and gone. Heat number 2 is about to roll out now, but we're in the first heat for the mini stocks, so there's only going to be one race between the race is about to start and our race. There's only one more race between them, so time to start getting ready to go. Next thing you're going to see is us rolling on the track for heat race number 1 tonight, starting 7th. Alrighty, we just got done with our heat race. It felt pretty good, you know? Felt like first time in a while that I don't have any complaints after a heat race. Track was pretty good, track settled in nice. Felt pretty good, so I'm happy with it. Started 7th, moved up to 5th, so not the worst deal in the world. Now we're gonna watch the other heat races. All right, so we are out of the, so after the heat race is all finished up, we've gotten the lineup for the B main. We are in the B. We're starting row 1. So that's the bad news. We're in the B. The good news in the B is we're taking 12 of 14. So as long as we kind of stay, you know, relatively near the front, we don't have to push too terribly hard. We should be okay. Shouldn't be anything too crazy. We shouldn't be, you know, shouldn't be anything too wild. But as long as our B, or as long as we do okay in the B, they take the top 12, we should be okay. All right, we're just gonna rush. I was over there talking to Ken, happy, but I'm rushing back over because it's time to start getting ready for the B main, starting outside pole.
Shit, I didn't even look.
Yeah, there's a chain.
He's got a chain. I didn't even look.
Yep, right here.
Your hood up.
I am so sick of these fucking steel wheels, bro. It's my fault, and I know it is. It's my fault for running those still, right? but it's all we got. It really is. I have not been able to buy any. I have not been able to buy any aluminums because we haven't found any in our area that would fit that car. And so I'm just fucking tired of it. I'm so fucking tired of these goddamn wheel brakes. And that's all I gotta say. Got the car up on the trailer already. The A features I think are about to start. The mini stock A is about to start. And I'm debating if I even want to stick around for it because I'm just so discouraged right now. I'm so frustrated. I'm tired of it. We're going to turn in early. After that, I don't even want to look at a fucking racetrack right now. I don't even want to look at a racetrack right now. We're gonna strap this car down. We're gonna go home. I'm not even gonna look at the points right now because I'm so mad at myself right now. I'm so mad. I am beyond pissed. That's all I can say. I don't know what else to do. I really don't. We're gonna spend these 3 weeks looking for fucking wheels, trying to figure out where the fuck we can get these goddamn wheels at, because we haven't been able to find any that fit this goddamn car. And, you know, I don't even know what the points is. Fuck the points. I don't even care. Whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.